you, sir. Good evening, one and all. I would like to share my 3 observations regarding this bill. First of all, in recent past, we have seen that our present government is in a mode to dissolve the democratically elected autonomous bodies like Medical Council of India, which has been converted to National Medical Commission, like Dental Council, Homeopathy Council, and so on. But there is one paradox in this case which is being noticed. In those cases, the professional councils were dissolved and commission was formed. But here, paradoxically, we have seen that the commission is being formed, at the same time the professional councils are also existing. So, to my utter surprise, it is something really paradoxical. Number 2, so far my understanding goes, the duration of the course that has been given is 3 years to 6 years. I know, and you also appreciate, that 6 years is just double of 3 years. So, either it is 3 years or 6 years, number 1. Number 2, there is no clear-cut mention regarding the internship, in which period those professionals will be getting hands-on training, which is very much important in this type of cases. So what will be the duration of internship? If it is of 1 year, then the student who is undergoing this course for 3 years, and if their internship is for 1 year, then we all understand that they will be getting the training for only 2 years. And if they get the training for 2 years only, what they will run and what they will treat. And my third point, to my understanding, sir, it's once again slightly violating the constitutional character and the federal character. Like, though we know that health is in a concurrent list, but here it has been mentioned that after the promulgation of this bill, each and every state has to make state council within 6 months. So it is becoming a binding to each and every state. I personally believe that states should be given little more liberty to take their own decision, because the healthcare scenario and the healthcare structure is not same in each and every state, sir. I believe our respected and learned minister will take all these points into consideration. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Shantanu Sen ji.